Most people use plain static slides to show step or progress, but what if your PowerPoint could move beautifully from one stage to the next? In this video, I will show you how to create a smooth and colorful animated slider transition entirely inside PowerPoint, step by step. Let's start with the base design. Choose rounded rectangle and draw it on the slide. Then insert a small triangle, rotate it and flip it vertically. Select both shapes, align them to the center. Go to Merge Shape and choose Union. Fill it with light gray and remove the outline. Now add your label or short text. Select both and group them together. Draw another rounded rectangle. Drag the yellow handle to the right to adjust the curve. Remove the outline and fill it with light gray. Then go to Format Shape. Open 3D format and under top bevel, select Cutout for a nice depth effect. Select the Union shape. Go to Shadow. Pick a soft shadow style and reduce transparency for a realistic look. Now, draw a circle using the oval tool. This will be your slider button. Fill it with red. Remove the outline and give it a 3D slant bevel. Align the red button perfectly on top of the slider shape and group them together. Press Ctrl D 3 times to make 4 sliders. Align them properly. Distribute them horizontally and then ungroup them. Change the color of each slider shape using Shape Fill to show progress step. Now it's time to bring this to life. Select the first button and apply Basic Zone. Then select the first group and add a floating animation. Set it to start after previous. Select the red button, click Add Animation, choose Line from Motion Path. Then from Effect option, select from right. Hold Shift to align it perfectly with the next button and reduce the duration to about 1.5 seconds. Then delete the second button to complete the path. Repeat the same for the next transition. Each time, move the button to the next stage, adjust the starting point with the green handle and reduce the duration. After each movement, apply floating animation to the matching group of text. To make it even more dynamic, we will change the color of the moving button. Select the red button, click Add Animation and choose Object Color. Set it to start with previous. Open Effect option and change the color to blue. Repeat the same for green and gold. placing each color animation right below its corresponding motion path in the animation pane. Now, play the slideshow and you will see your slider smoothly move from one step to the next. Each time it moves, the color changes seamlessly while the matching text appears, giving your slide a professional animated flow that looks like it was made in After Effects. And that's how you can create a beautiful colorful slider animation entirely inside PowerPoint. It's perfect for showing stages, progress, or timelines in a clean, modern way. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Aksharika Tutorials, and comment below I want more PowerPoint animation tricks. Your support helps me bring you more creative PowerPoint tutorials every week.